Ready, Grim?
Yep.
Alright. Speak your truth, bro.
What's going on, guys? Your boy Grim here. Welcome to Grim Reviews.
Yo, you know they're worth like $8.50. Why you slapping them like that?
Yo, Stunad, take it easy. Thank you for the price. Smart ass. As my friend said, $8.50. Look at these though, the black cats. The fours. You don't see these no more, do you?
Nah, these are hard.
Yeah, bro. All sway all around with the mesh right here.
What they said, netting?
Mesh webbing, netting, yeah.
Who said?
My boy Eric. That's an Eric point.
Eric point. Ding ding.
So yeah.
Bro, these are fucking hard.
Yeah, these
bro.
fours are awesome.
Let me see that piece right here.
I think it's metal.
Oh wow.
Oh no, like it's a hard plastic. Nah, yeah,
It's a hard plastic?
Yeah, it's a hard plastic.
It's a hard plastic. Looks metal, but it's a hard plastic.
Yeah.
Let me see the inside.
It's plush right here, but it's pretty pitch black in there.
Fire. Let me see the bottom. This is like all the way
Got
black.
some bubbles. Look, got some bubbles in here too.
Yeah.
But it's pitch black, bro.
Everything's black about this sneaker and I love it.
Shit is fire though.
Shit is fucking hard.
These fours are awesome.
This should be in everybody's collection. If you're a sneakerhead,
I'm gonna lie, $8.50, I'm definitely dropping them shit.
hell yeah, bro.
I'm not even.
So what if your girl bought you those with your own money, bro? What you gonna do?
How is that possible?
Like,
What are we doing here? What are we doing here? What are we doing here?
well, what if she had access to your bank account, baby?
How? Why would she?
Because you love her. And
So
yeah.
I bought it.
Would you be happy that she bought it? That you bought it on her behalf for you?
The question is, when would I know that she took it from my account?
She won't tell you. Surprise! Like, she'll give you the sneakers, and one day you gonna see negative
And then
$8.50.
this shit gonna pop up like, what the fuck did I? Oh, okay, it was that.
Yeah.
It's cool. If she got access to my account, but if she don't, yeah, it's all for the head. Watch Game of Thrones, motherfucker.
So today in history,
Put it on the fucking pipe, dude.
on a pipe.
See,
Guy taking a break.
They got the ballet open.
This guy.
VE Day marks the end of the Second World War, 1945. Believe that?
VE Day?
Yeah.
What that mean?
V-Day, you know, the war. So VE Day was the day that the war stopped. It ceased in 1945. World War II. It's crazy,
So
right?
what's so important about that for today?
What do you mean what's so important about World War II? That's when everybody stopped fucking shooting each other.
No, but when you see VE Day, what?
VE Day marks the end of the Second World War.
Oh,
la droga, papa. Es la droga,
I like that.
Es la droga,
Yo, that shirt match your personality right now. And I don't like it.
Es la droga, chico, que tú tienes, ¿verdad, papá? Venga, lo tenés, chicos, no pues ya ven.
Yo, what materials these black cats?
Suede, bro. This shit is all suede all around.
Why they call him the black cat?
Because he's the black cat. He's a bad man. He used to call him Black Jesus. I hope you know that. That ass. Look it up. Google that shit.
Okay.
They used to call Michael Jordan Black Jesus. Facts. But there's only one Shuttlesworth.
So who decided to call him the black cat?
Everybody.
Who's everybody? Started with.
Bro, everybody. Everybody that played basketball back in those days.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. That's it.
No.
Put 'em out.
It can't be out
That's
because you never told me when you gonna wear these sneakers.
Wear these sneakers 2 times a year. You understand?
What are these 2 times?
2 times a year. You're in the beginning of the year and at the ending of the year.
So for New
Between
Year's.
the first 3 and between the last 3.
So
That's
for
all you
New
need to know.
Year's and
Nah, maybe my birthday and Thanksgiving. That's it. Not Thanksgiving. We gotta dress up. You know what I'm saying? So Christmas maybe.
Christmas?
Christmas.
You just say me with the Christmas.
Christmas.
You going crazy,
Are you
bro.
finished now?
Are you
You want
finished?
some more?
Oh, these are yeah and nay.
These are definitely a yeah.
Alright.
Come on.
Come on, bro.
What about you?